Okay, now that we have obtained the translated model, what we need to do is to load it into a Modelica tool. Over here I have open Dymola. We're gonna load first the OpenAPSL library. So navigate to where you have cloned the library. You need to open the package file, and that will load up the OpenAPSL. And finally, we need to load the translated model. In my case, it's going to be in the output folder of the repository that I cloned. Is this one, IEEE 14 demo. Click open. In Dymol, I will select this a simulation model. I will go now on check. So here you can see the model. These are all the instantiated classes and that have been automatically written. Here's all the connection statements. So even for a small model, you can see this is a lot of work. So it's nice to be doing by hand. Here you have the synchronous generators. We didn't cover this in detail in the paper, but basically each of the machines will have different control systems set up and set up configured. So those are also declared and automatically created by the tool. So here you have the synchronous machines and instantiation default that is added so that we can create a simulation that is interesting. And finally, you have the connection for the file tab at the bottom. We need to check the model first to see if there's any semantic or syntactic errors. There's nothing to be worried about, and it has passed the check. And now we could just go on to simulation tab. In this case, go to setup. We could start with these settings. I haven't done it before recording this, but let's just click on simulate. And now the model is being compiled, is being initialized, and simulation is running. So it's done. Here it gives you some statistics of how long it took. And then we have buses. So we want to see a bus voltage, for example. To simplify my life, I will just use a wildcard here and look for the voltage magnitude variable. And here you go. So there we go. You can also look at the fault block, time 1 and time 2, when they're applied. You can see the value, which is 1 and 1.01. We could see around somewhere here is where the fault is applied. So let's go look for bus number 5, where we applied the fault. Right, here you see it.